Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be looking at this bag that I just picked up. This is from WochiTV. Now, they've come up with this bag specifically for the Amazon Echo devices as well as the Boselink devices. Now, any of your Amazon Echo devices that you have connected to either a portable speaker or to a portable battery will fit down in this bag. Now, this bag has 3 separate layers. The first layer being a nice leather layer. Now, the leather is going to allow you protection once you take it outside against the weather, the elements, the water. The bottom of your speaker is not going to get wet. Then this middle layer, this mesh layer, this is going to allow you to still get your same sound quality that you would normally get if the speaker were sitting out. And then the top is just a stylish microfiber layer that you're going to be able to just basically show off because it's right around the top. And the handles are made out of that same material. So what I want to do is I want to get one of these speakers over in there just to show you how it fits down in the case. So here we go. So this is the Amazon Echo Dot. I have it on a portable base. Now we have a drawstring right here. And there you have it. It's going to sit down in there. You're going to still get your same great sound quality, as well as you're still going to be able to protect your case just because just right here, it is all the way in. Drawstring is pulled tightly and it's not going to come out. And then when you get ready to carry it, there you go. You're going to pick it up and you're going to take it wherever you need it to go. Now, as I mentioned, this is by the company WochiTV. This is an Echo Dot that I have in the case right now. But remember I said this one over here is the Amazon Echo. This is the 2nd generation. Now, this one is just hooked up to a regular portable battery. And voila. It fits just like that. So it goes down in it. You can hold it. You can pick it up. You can see the speaker through there. You're still going to get your same great sound quality. I'm not going to do a sound test just because of copyright issues with certain songs, but you get the gist. Now, if you have a portable battery on your Amazon Echo Plus, it will also fit. And like I mentioned earlier, the Boselink devices will fit. So those speakers will fit in here as well. Now, I really like this bag because it's versatile, it's convenient, it's stylish. You can basically carry it just about anywhere. I mean, it's really nice. And with these speakers, especially if it's a Bluetooth speaker, you can just turn that on anywhere. Of course, with your Echo devices, you're going to need a Wi-Fi signal, but any other cylinder Bluetooth speaker will fit down in here and you'll be able to take that on the go wherever you are. So until next time, hopefully this is able to help someone. I'll leave a link below in the description so you can go and pick this up. But this is the carrying case by WochiTV for Amazon Echo devices and Boselink devices. So be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.